Hi, how you guys doing? This is Tanya, riding with
Robin.
Hey, so here we are back with another crab boil. So today, because before we didn't put in the sausage, we had sausage, but it wasn't the Hillshire sausages. So we have the sausages. We have the little bitty shrimp. I was looking for the tiger shrimp, but I couldn't find them. Next video. And then we have our little lobsters, and we have our, this is what we didn't have. We didn't have the potatoes the last time. So we have the potatoes tonight. And of course we have our eggs, and we didn't have corn. Here's the corn. So we got our sauce, and we have our lemons, and of course Crystal. So what I'm doing is my little bottle. This is a gallon, and it's so cold. This is wonderful. It keeps everything cold, and I'm drinking Gatorade. Robin, what are you drinking? Oh, is it a Bud Light?
Bud Light.
Is it cold? Is it cold?
Did you see it? It's cold.
All right, well, let's get right on to this. Let's see what we got here. I really hope this sauce isn't too hot. As you know, I really can't stand hot, but I enjoy making it. And so when I'm making it, I'm like, oh, it looks good. And I taste it, be like, fire, that's lit.
It's a pump for you.
Let's get on in here. Let's taste it. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Whoa. Let's see. Oh my God, it's good. You know what? I've been having this marinating in the refrigerator for almost a week. So I cooked this sauce, and then I put it in the refrigerator. It seemed like this seasoning just, you know how you do a gumbo and it just sits in there? Oh my God, this is good. And we found these crab, Alaskan crab. Look how big they are. Oh, these be good.
Corn good.
Corn good?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see what we got with the crab. Yes. I was looking for these everywhere. I had to go to Costco. And you know these things are kind of pricey. For like 40, what was it, like 80 bucks?
Yeah, that was.
Yeah, it's like $80.
Melt your mouth.
Good, 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 good. Let's see. So, as you know, we're new to YouTube, and of course we have a full-time job to go with this, but you know, in trying to edit and keeping it real, you know, sometimes it get really hard, you know, when you're just starting off.
I know it's missing. A little bit more lemon.
You need lemon? Let's see. But, you know, we're going to try to keep these videos coming. But like I said, we have a busy life, but we enjoy doing this stuff, and, you know, the challenges. And we only do that. Oh, that's good. That spicy noodle challenge. But you guys know, again, how I feel about hot stuff. I don't want to pass out. And here come the M&Ms. But again,
I'm gonna try this lobster, guys.
okay. Let's see. I'm enjoying this crab. This is all up. I'm gonna try potato too. Let's try this potato. You see, it melts in your mouth. Oh.
You see it? Cut it through the middle. It ain't coming out. What's the problem?
Let's try the corn. So, that's good. So, I was gonna do. I was gonna do
My bad.
the Popeyes chicken.
Ooh. I had to struggle with that, you guys.
And
I had to struggle. Look. Ooh.
whoa. And we're gonna do the Popeye spicy
I like things
chicken sandwiches. And I sent her today to go get a sandwich from Popeye. I'm gonna try it and see what the hype is all about. Why? Tell me why was Popeye's closed? I'm like, are you serious? She said on the door it said, what did it say?
Due to the chicken sandwiches.
Mm-hmm.
We're not open. They closed the store because they had number chicken.
Isn't that crazy? The chicken place that don't have chicken. Who does that?
This man drove by me and said, "Ma'am, the store closed." I know I was in the goddamn drive-thru. I was trying to read the goddamn sign. So I'm like, okay, I'm just reading the sign.
That is crazy.
And then all these people was coming in, and they was driving out.
I can't believe it.
I was like, that's crazy. Then I called her and said, for real? You send me down here and the damn place is closed for a sandwich?
And so,
This is hell good right here.
I just, I said Monday, I'm gonna try to get in there and go get a sandwich. And I understand that Chick-fil-A, that their sandwiches is smaller, but I would like to see. And I know I should have gotten in there last week when it was okay to go in there and get a sandwich, but I've been reading the reviews at Popeyes, and they're saying that they had to wait in the line for like 30 or 40 minutes, and then when they get up there, it's all gone. The sandwich is gone. I'm like, oh my God.
They were actually gone. We called all kind of different places.
Mm-hmm.
To see if they were open. They went in there. It was busy as hell. Because I got that sandwich.
And so we called one place, and as soon as she answered the phone, she said, thank you for calling Popeyes, but our spicy sandwiches are all out. I'm like, okay, that's what I called for, but okay, I don't need to talk to you anymore. Like, wow.
So now we're having Tanya and Robin seafood boiled here.
Mm-hmm.
Bomb.
And this is good. You know what? This is lit.
That's all bomb.
And now it's spicy. It's really good.
She was gonna pump today and then put all the spices like she did last time.
Okay. It's good. Now I did. Let me
I
try my
never
egg.
dip this shit too, guys.
Let me try my egg. Let me try my egg.
Let me try the egg. What did it taste like?
It's good. I know why. When I first seen B-Love do that with an egg, I was like, I don't know. That was good.
Let me try.
I have a really good idea to put that egg in some sauce. That's good.
Oh yeah.
Was it good? I know, look at me. Cutting in the bottom of this. I'm making sure I get all the meat.
You check this out though.
Huh?
Check this out though.
I did what?
I said check this out though.
What?
When you get done with your crab, don't come over here and mess with mine.
I might.
You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
You need to start with my crab. There's no one here like crab.
I sure will. I will eat all your crab while your head is turned the other way. Good. So, we keep getting thinking about people asking, where you guys met? Where do we meet?
We met at a wine and brewery thing.
Girl.
Nah, I'm playing. We met at a club. I was in there with my coworkers, and there was one person. He was a guy. He just turned in. over to be a woman. He never been out, and that's all he talked about. I mean, that's all she talked about. Cause you know, going out and meeting other people. So I said, "How do you meet people?" She said, she really doesn't, know how to do it. But, she was online and stuff like that. And I was like, that's not how you're going to meet people. Because, when people are online, something wrong with them sometimes, you know what I mean? So I said, let's go to the club. You'll find somebody in there. I mean, this club right here would be the perfect club for you to go into. So we went in there, me and my co-workers. So we went and we came in, we scoped out the place, and then the next thing you know, is it good?
That's good. Oh, I'm gonna tell you guys. So these are scallops. Look how little these are. You can barely even see them. I didn't even know what the difference was from, because I really don't eat scallops. It's like really my first time, and I seen me love. I was like, why is her scallop so big? These little bitty tiny scallops. Listen, but
look at this. Don't eye my stuff.
That looks good.
Mm-hmm.
So I tried them, and I was like, as I put it in the lemon and the garlic, I didn't know which one was the garlic or the garlic from the scallops. The scallops are so small. I don't know now though, buy a big one because they are good. I don't know. Somebody please tell me what a scallop is and where they come from. I know they come out the water, but what are they? I want to know. Where they come from? Can you tell me? Scallop.
I don't know.
You don't know?
Mm.
You're just eating it. Nobody know where scallops come from? Where you get them from? At the bottom of the ocean? Where they come from? So, okay. Go ahead and finish your story.
Well,
I had to tell them about the scallops. I forgot to tell them there were some in there because they were so small. But yeah, we met at the club, and I wasn't even going to the club to meet nobody. I wasn't dressed up or anything. I was with my brothers, and he forced me to go out that night. And I was sitting there, and I was just looking around. He was like, "Oh, who are you looking at?" And I seen her, but I seen her with two other women. So I was like, okay, she must be with one of them. So I didn't say nothing else. And my brother, he went over there and tapped her on the shoulder. I was like, are you serious? And yes, of course, she came over. Came over and told me she was 21. I said, girl, bye. But see, I gotta do, the funniest thing about it is she lived right across the street from me, and I never seen her ever. You know,
same amount of time.
Same
amount of time, 5 years.
Yeah, 5 years too. And so I had forgot her name that night. So I asked my brother what her name was. And I went up on Facebook and found her. I said, oh, there she is. Let me call her. I had forgot her name and everything. But that's how we met. We just had our anniversary on the 21st. It's all good.
On the 21st?
I mean on the 17th.
Oh my
I was
God.
thinking of your mother's birthday.
Oh my
God.
Yeah.
We just had our anniversary. But yeah, so it's been a year. It's been 1 year. Yes. But it's good. We're trying to just, maintain. This is good.
Let me try this little hot thing.
What's that? I don't think that's hot.
Okay.
It's just a sausage.
Okay. Delicious.
You're not going to eat all that. You're going to be full quick.
You're all over here in my business.
I told her once we got married, she has no business. There you go.
Yeah, I just licked my finger.
What's yours is mine. And go to sleep. I take a half side of her bed and try to stay warm. Donna,
Yourself.
what did you tell me?
I told you. I tell you to scoot over.
Yeah, you said I'm selfish.
Mm-mm.
No, not selfish. This is good. What are we gonna eat next week?
I don't really know.
You know what I'm making? Oh, there's a couple of challenges we still haven't did. And baby, this is good. This is good. This is good. And you know it's good when you lick your fingers like, that's so good.
Check this out. I'm not just fat because I don't eat that much. No. This is that dang on beer I be drinking. It's like Lay's potato chips. You drink one, you gotta drink another. You know what I mean? Yeah. This is where all the little fatness came from. Don't get me wrong, she can cook though.
And you know the funny thing about it is, she knows that's what's making her.
I can't stop. That's like crack or something. You drink one and then you gotta drink another one. How you stop drinking that?
It's not even that good. Let me taste it.
You're gonna get grease on my stuff.
What are you talking about, grease?
Butter on my
That's all right. I'm sure it's all on the bottle. Let me taste it. Look at your fingers.
Not mine. I don't know why you did that.
Ew! That is so nasty.
That's so dumb.
Why do you drink that? That's gross. No, for real. Why?
I don't like it.
Like the what taste? That's just like old wheat. What is that?
What the hell old wheat
No,
tastes
no,
like?
It's nasty.
What are you interrupting me?
I don't know. How long do they let beer sit up before it turns into beer? What's the process of beer making? Can you tell me? You drink it.
I'm not interested in that part.
You don't care what your body is consuming?
It's all to make me fat. Yeast.
And that's what it tastes like.
You're not gonna spoil my appetite by telling me that.
Your appetite?
Or my beer tasting. I'm gonna drink some more.
Yeah. Watch the aftertaste.
Mm.
You know what that's good for? This. It's good for your sauce. Cause I put some in my sauce, and I can't taste it, but it makes a flavor with the sauce. But just to sit there, that's stupid. Beer is nasty. Put some lemon out.
And what?
Your beer.
Okay. That still probably would taste good. We can touch it off.
I can't with her.
Pompeii.
Is that good? Let me say, you're not gonna eat all that. Don't eat no more potatoes, because you gotta eat some shrimp and stuff too. Because you're not gonna eat all. Did you eat your second lobster? Blue? Blue? You gonna eat it all? I don't know why you quiet, because I'm just asking you if you're gonna eat it all.
You.
I didn't do anything.
I didn't see a sign that say, rush and hurry, eat all your food all at once. Where's that?
I was just asking if you was gonna eat
okay.
it all. Maybe you was gonna save me a crap. Oh, a lobster, because you haven't ate the second one yet.
You see what I mean? Okay. Can I finish my corn?
Okay,
Oh, okay.
go ahead. You'll get full. Go and eat the potato too. Eat the potato. Eat all the potato. Because once you eat the potato, you won't have room for the rest of that food.
She acting like she know me or something.
She won't. And she's drinking that nasty beer. You know, we go places, you know, she tell me she's hungry. Like, I'll go in there and she'll be like, babe, I'm hungry. I'll be like, okay. You know, I'm going to start buying her Happy Meal at McDonald's.
We don't even eat there.
No, we don't. But you will.
Mm-mm. Everybody know what McDonald's do to you. I'm good on it. That's a waste of time for me.
Really? So, can someone please tell me what this is? I'm scared.
What's that crab?
This is a lobster. Open yours and see what yours look like.
You just boiled my appetite.
I'm sorry, but I had to show you because I wasn't going to put this in my mouth. Oh my God. Tell me what happened.
He was pregnant.
He was pregnant?
I don't have that problem in my room.
I know my last one didn't have this problem. I will not eat nothing that has green stuff in the middle of it.
Ooh, that's gross.
That is not right. What happened? I'm wondering if he just died over during the process of them cooking. If something happened, he was dead too long.
No, but where the green stuff come from?
Because he died too long. I don't know.
Who the fuck died too long?
Him? I thought he was my friend.
But you just gonna eat your friend?
Not like that. Oh,
my God.
Man, let me see yours. I'm sorry, love. I can't eat him. But I will eat my corn.
I don't think I like the way this lobster is making my fingers feel like it's poking me.
Mm-hmm. But he made me mad.
That was kind of gross, though.
I'm missing some of this crystal. Kind of gross. Let me find out. Let me see yours.
Nope.
Huh?
Nope.
Sorry. I'm in the middle of it.
I did. It's in the middle of it.
What? Yeah, they ripped me off. I'm gonna have to go and tell Costco. Now, I don't know what's going on.
What?
You got some?
No.
Oh. Mm-hmm.
I don't know what the hell was going on with yours, though.
Man, that was not right. That was a crab
Would you
boil.
like some more?
No, I don't want any. But I don't know, the corn is good. Oh, so wrong. Is that good?
No.
What's wrong? What happened?
Nothing.
You gonna eat that? Oh. Uh-oh. Let me see. So, I think our food went down the wrong way. what we have here. Look at that. Should be okay. Just a little home, but. You know, I really do enjoy doing these videos. And like I said, we are new at this, and we're gonna keep doing them and keep doing them until we get it right. I just know that sometimes we get busy and I say, we're gonna do a video this week, we're gonna do a video like 2 times out of the week, but then I forget to put them up because of the editing. I want my editing to look really nice, you know. Like I said, we're just trying. So subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the little bell so it'll notify you on all the videos that we post. Okay, I really enjoyed again doing this video. And you okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, you fine. It went down the wrong way.
I went down the wrong way.
Cause you know why?
You probably jinxed me.
And you want to share that little lobster.
I'll put that over there because you.
Excuse me. Excuse me. We didn't even bless the food.
It's a little too late for that.
God's good, God's great. Let us thank you for this food that we just received, Lord. I thank you. And Lord, maybe I should have blessed it before this, because then maybe she wouldn't have choked off that crab or that lobster that she had, and I wouldn't have the green lobster as well.
No.
But I thank you, Lord. In your name I pray. Thank you for the nourishment of this product. I hope there's nothing else green in my body, because I just seen that one, Lord. Because I did not look at the other one. But I thank you, Jesus, for providing me with the food that you've given me, Lord. Please cleanse my body, Father, because I don't know what's in it. Thank you. Amen. Bro.
Who the hell are you?
I don't know what was in there. That first time something just said, open it. I said, what is that? Oh my God. Well, we're not going to keep you guys any longer. I know this was a long video because we barely bring them up. So I try to just keep them going and 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 going. Okay? Okay? Okay. Well, we're out. See you. Remember, Tanya, ride with
Robin.
Bye.